Alrighty, so we're going to do a real quick thing here just to show you that people that bellyached about me not actually sticking the flex fork up inside the bearings. Let's real quickly take this loose so that those that feel cheated can feel like they got a full service here. And we're probably going to want to put a little bit of penetrate down through there. So I didn't bring any of that out because I didn't think of that. Oh well, let's not worry about it. Let's just try this first. Alright. This is how simple this is. Take your old caster, pull your wheel and your axle off your old caster. Jack the mower up with the wheel and caster in place, of course. And then before you jack it up, loosen everything. And then take your top bolt washer and spacer washer off the top of the spindle. Jack up the mower. There you go. Now, to return it to where it came, now you got the old caster out. Now we're going to put the new caster in. And that would be this booker right here. Now, I'm going to go slowly so I hope. Alright. So I can get it all lined up. Which, by the way, before I sat down there and just stuck it up in there and put a bolt in it, which would probably be easier. Alright. So I'm going to try that now if I got enough pressure off of it. Line it up, bring it up through here, put your spacer washer and then your outer or your washer to keep the dust and dirt out of it and protect your seal. Alright. There you are. That's all there is to it. So hopefully you got some out of that and you no longer feel slighted. And that's how you take your caster out. Take the bolt out of the top, jack the mower up. You got to take the bolt, break it loose first, jack the mower up, drop the old caster. Some cases there's a lot of rust there because it's several years old. Put a bolt back in it, run at least half the threads down, hammer it directly on the bolt. I suggest using a different bolt because you want to go back with the original because it's cadmium plated. And then that'll drive the old one out. You may need to put some penetrate on from the bottom to the top. And then let it set a while. Do that a couple, 3 times, tap it. More penetrate, tap it out. But fill your bearings, jack it up, fill the bearings. Run it back and forth. Put your hand on the mower like this. Right in here, spin your caster. If you can feel those bearings, this is the time to replace the bearings. They're cheap, they're not very expensive. If you buy 10 at a time or 6 those bearings fit other parts of the mower. I buy them 6 at a time, and that way it fits 6 of them, takes care of everything on a mower that size. I paid $36 for them back in June of last year. They're probably $50 now, but hey, one bearing, most dealers are going to cost you probably 50, 80 bucks by itself. So I'm not trying to cut the dealers out, just trying to get the dealers down to where the prices belong. Alright, with that said, that takes care of how to take them out and put them back in. You can torque that bolt to 65 pounds. That little machine right there torques to 85 pounds. And I didn't stay on it very long, but I will check it with a torque wrench, no big deal. And because I never broke it loose. Anyway, there you go. That's all there is to it. We hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up. And be sure and subscribe. Appreciate that. And hit that little notification bell down there. Share these videos with all your mowing friends, because that's pretty simple. That's pretty much the way any spindle is going to come off, or any caster. So hope that helped you out. And as we always say at Max's Garage Mahal, y'all come back, sis now, you hear?